In this video tutorial, I'm gonna be solving 6th grade Pre Algebra. You'll be learn how to algebra is solved in the early grades. So this will be a 6th grade Pre Algebra. I'm gonna first start with the properties of operation. So algebra has a operation. So that operation has a properties. For example, you will see commutative property. So commutative property, you can see addition and multiplication. So if you see addition or multiplication in any order, so the commutative property, what it says, if you multiply the number, you will get the answer. If you add the number, you will get the answer. But it doesn't matter which one you put the first. For example, 5 times 10, right? 10 times 5. So by the way, here it's supposed to be a 50, right? So if you have 5 times 10 will be a 50 here, and 10 times 5 also will be 50 here. All right, so first I have 5 and then the 10, I got 50, not the 5. This is wrong. So and then 10 times 5, I got 50. So I have first here 5 and then 10 comes. Here I have 10 first and then 5 comes. So whatever the order which come first and the one way the other, then you will have the answer same. How about the addition? 7 plus 5 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. So the answer is same, but this one I have first number 7, this one I have first number 5. So still you get the same answer. In algebra it called commutative. What about associate? They have associate property. Let's say you have 2 plus times 7 plus 8 equal to, then I can bring the 2 inside and the 7 inside. I can take the 8 outside, but still I got 17, right? You see, this way you can write, or if you write this way, right? So you bring the 7, 8 inside. Here you bring the 2 plus 7 inside. So still you get answer. It's called associative. All right. What about the identity? Identity means 1 plus 0, no change. Its identity is 1. Or 12 plus 1 is 12, so no change. So that one also called identity because there is no change, right? For if we, so basically it's no change, right? Because like I say, let me show you, you multiply 17 or you add 17 0, you got 17. It's called identity, right? What about multiplication? 45 times 1, I still get what? 45. This is what is called identity. Okay, so let's keep continue. Okay, what is the order of operation? So we saw property, right? We saw property. Now we are looking for order of operation. Let's say you have 7 plus 5 times 4 times 3. If we do in order of operation, we have to work inside the parentheses first. Okay, the first we have to work inside parentheses. The second we have to do the exponent. Okay, if there's no exponent, then we have to do the multiplication and division, whichever come first. Okay, this is a pre-algebra 6th grade. If you don't get it in 6th grade or 7th grade, then there will be some big gap, so you have to know order of operation in 6th grade and 7th grade too. So how we gonna solve with this problem? 7 plus 5 times 4 times 3, we have to do inside first, right? Parentheses, and then we have to do the exponent, right? Then if there is no exponent, then we have to times and division. whoever come first from left to right, right? We have to do the times and division from left to right. So now we have to work inside here, and then we have to do multiplication. Then finally we add the 7. You can add to this to here right now. You do inside first here, the second no exponent, third times or division, whoever comes first. Okay, finally you add. Or if there is subtraction too, you subtract. Either way, addition and subtraction is the last. So now we have 7 plus, so what do we have inside? 20. 5 times 4 is 20 times 3. This is the order of operation, right? Now what are we gonna do? We have to work, continue. We have to say 7 plus. Now we have to do again multiplication. 20 times 3, right? It's 60, right? Now we can add. This is what is called order of operation, Pre Algebra 6th grade, right? If you don't come with your answer 67 and you just add the 7 to the 5, then you multiply, you are not following the order of operation, right? So this is a basic to work on a order of operation. Okay, let me show you one more problem. What about if the multiplication come first, right? Multiplication come first, because we have the first order of operation problem. I show you 7 plus. What about 4 times parentheses 5 plus 5? Then you have to divide. I'm trying to mix things up here. Let's say you divide 20, and then let's say you add 6, right? What is this equal to, right? So inside first, even though you have multiplication now coming first, order of operation, the first is the parenthesis. I have to add 5 plus 5, 10. I have to work this. Then multiplication comes first, then I have to divide it, then I have to add. This is the way you have to work. Okay, so we will say 5 plus 5 is 10. Now we say 10 times 4 is 40. 20 divided, you see I did not add the 6 for the 20. So now I do the division. So multiplication, division, before you add or subtract. Now we have 40 divided 20. What do we got? We got 2, right? This is the final answer. You know, if you divide it, this is the easy way. You know, 20 times 2 is 40, right? So now you can add the 6. It's 8. The final, see, the 6 I did not add. I have to follow the operation inside first, then I multiply, I get 40, then I divide it, thereafter we get the 8. This is the final result.